Hello everyone, welcome to CAD NEST. I am live at another branch. In this class, I will tell you how to create art in AutoCAD. First, I will take simple object rectangle like this, and also take a simple polygon. I want 5 side. So, like here, and copy this object to like this point to this point. Escape and change this color. I'll change, take this one blue, this one take to pink. So this one is the pink, and I will create, and also I will give the dimension. So it is smaller, but I want the dimensions are very small, and I will edit this photo, dim style, enter, and modify the dimensions. I want like 10. Also symbols and arrows I want 7. So close. So it is slightly bigger, so again we can change, modify. Arrow size will be 15. Text I will take to 20. Okay, close. So you can see the dimensions will be show. So I want like this drawing to JPG, PNG or PDF format. I want this PNG format, so I can go to plot, 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 and come to name. This give any name. So I will take, so you can see nuns Cento, OneNote 2010, Microsoft Printer, Axo, AutoCAD PDF, drawing F6, plot of PDF, drawing to PDF, drawing to like JPG, published to JPG, published to PNG. I want like this PNG. So I will select and select to use the default paper size 1600 into 1280 pixels. Go to select. There are 4 options here: display, extent, limits, and window. I will select window and select this only. So you can see center the plot. So preview will be here like this. In the back side page will be background color is white, and our lines will be showing in black color. Also I give the lines to change the color like pink, so it is also shows also dimensions. So close, okay, and you can see it is saved to .png format. So save it. So this is the process of how to create plot. So thank you for everyone watching our video. Please like, share, and subscribe our CAD NEST YouTube channel. Thank you.